Good afternoon, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. We're looking at a triple trunk ribbon palm. Check that beauty out. Perfectly symmetrical, 3 trunks at perfect angles from each other. Trunk height is roughly 15 feet. These are one of our favorite trees. They have a weeping effect. When the wind is blowing, you see how the leaflets are twinkling. When the sun is shining and the wind is blowing, the sun is reflecting and refracting off of the leaflets. We planted this about 2.5 months ago, along with some other items in the yard. This is a pride and joy when we do one of these. Beautiful tree, we have a lot of them. Give us a call and we'll get one for you.